Welcome back, students. Today in this practical class we will verify Kirchhoff's voltage law. So in our theory classes we have already seen Kirchhoff's voltage law statement, which states that in any closed loop network the total voltage around the loop is equal to the sum of all the voltage drops within the same loop. Okay, so for this verification we have to take a circuit. Here we are taking a simple circuit which includes two resistances, and that is one is 270 ohm, another one is 330 ohm, which are connected in series with a 9 volt voltage supply. So for this verification of KVL we need the equipments, or we need some components, like we have to take 270 ohm resistance, one 330 ohm resistance. Here we have to take the constant voltage supply, that is 9 volt supply, and all these things are embedded in this kit. And we need to take the patch cords and the power supply for the operation of this kit. Okay, so let us do the connection as per the circuit diagram given. So first of all we have to take the 9 volt supply. So I will connect the patch cord. This 9 volt positive end is connected to the 270 ohm resistance. So first of all I will do this connection. Here it is the positive end of the 9 volt. I am connecting it to the 270 ohm resistance. Then this 270 ohm resistance, other end of the 270 ohm resistance is connected to the 330 ohm. So 330 ohm resistance I will connect. This is 330 ohm. Another end of the 330 ohm is connected to the negative terminal of the 9 volt supply. Here we have the negative terminal as common end. Here you can see the negative sign. I will connect the other end of the 330 ohm here. So we know that this is the constant 9 volt voltage supply, so we need not measure this voltage. Now what we will do, we need to measure the voltage across this 270 ohm resistance. Here you can see the 270 ohm resistance. I have to measure this voltage across this resistance, as well as this the voltage across the 330 ohm resistance. Then what I will do, as per the KVL, I need to add these measured voltages across these resistances, which should be equal to the supply voltage, which is equal to 9 volt. So now we will do the measurement. For the measurement of voltage we know that we need a voltmeter. Here we have a voltmeter which is of range from 0 to 20 volt. So I will connect the voltmeter. I need two patch cords for this. Red one is I am using for positive end, and black one is using for negative end. So first of all I will switch on the power supply. Okay, so now what I will do, I will measure the voltage across 270 ohm, and I will simultaneously write the measured voltage in the observation table. Here you can see in the observation table I have the serial number. This is the voltage V1 which is being measured across the 270 ohm resistance, and it will be mentioned here. Again V2 is the voltage across 330 ohm resistance, which I will measure and I will write here. This one is the measured total value of voltage across both the resistances, that is V1 plus V2, and this voltage is the total voltage applied. So here I will take the first reading, that is my first reading. I will connect the positive end of this across the 270 ohm. Okay, so how much voltage we are getting here? This is 4.01 volt. So I will write here 4.01 volt. Okay. Then next what I will do, I have to measure this voltage. This is V2. So now I will remove this cord and I will connect this one. So what is this voltage? This is 4.89 volt. So now what I will do, I will add these measured values, which is equal to 8.90 volt. Okay, and this total voltage applied is 9 volt. So I will mention here 9 volt. So here you can see that from the observation, you can see that we have two voltages measured values, and the addition of two values is 8.9 volt and the applied voltage is 9 volt. So these two values are approximately equal to each other. Hence the Kirchhoff's voltage law is being verified.